The residents of Diffri and NDDC Road in Amukbe, Sapele local government area of Delta State, have accused the state and federal governments of abandoning them to kidnappers who have turned the area into a killing field. And this is what they said. We live in constant fear. Delta State residents cries out, says kidnappers have taken over Diffri NDDC roads. All right. As you can see below, the topic of this video, the title of this video is "We are wasting our time." We are wasting our precious time. And I think before I go forward in this video, I still want to appreciate people in one way or the other. Everywhere you are trying to curb insecurity, I'm appreciating everyone, both the people who are on ground, people who are sharing intelligence, anybody at all. It's not easy to fight insecurity created by the government. Now, let's think about this. Are we not wasting our time? I mean your precious time. Everybody, the genuine policemen, the genuine military officers, the genuine DSS, the genuine vigilante people, voluntary people who are still fighting in every community. From the beginning, I first of all thank everyone who is fighting insecurity. And I'm trying to tell you that we are all wasting our time. Now, I know you might be thinking, why is this guy sounding like this? Why is he saying that people he's thinking are still wasting their time? Now, this is the reason why I'm saying that. It is important to realize the cause of a problem before you start solving it. If you have, or maybe someone is pregnant, people who are pregnant, they easily vomit. And because the lady is vomiting, you take a vomite, which is a medicine to stop vomiting. You give the lady a vomite. Only perceiving a vomite will make her to, vomit more. Tasting a vomite will make the lady to vomit more. That is what is going on in Nigeria. We are wasting our time. We are wasting our precious time, wasting the life of the future generations that are to come. Now, you look at the government. Fear did not allow you to point finger to them. You imported this insecurity, the bandits, the Boko Haram. You imported them. You are aiding them. Nobody have the courage to point the fingers at them and say the truth of what happened in 2014, 2015. Everything about insecurity and agitation you are seeing today started in 2014, 2015. The major agitation started at 2014, 2015. Why? Because people were alerted that the APC government imported terrorists, and people say, over our dead body, that we can't stay in the same country with these people. That was how this heavy agitation started, and it's not going to end. Why? The politicians who imported these people continue to aid them, continue to support them. The evidence of what I'm saying is all over. They don't hide it. They come to national television to tell you that we did this. We use it to remove Jonathan, and they are proud of it. Now, I am confused somehow, because how can everybody still be playing games of fighting insecurity? That is why I said we are wasting our time. We are wasting our precious time. The solution is not going to come. People will continue to die. People will continue to perish. Communities will be taken over and over again. The hardest thing the DSS will do will tell you to go and defend yourself. The hardest thing the police and the military could do is to tell you that to go and defend yourself. That is their last bus stop. They are not saying that they can do it. They said, you go and do it yourself. Then how are you going to defend yourself from the people that are going to military bases and killing them? They ask you to go and defend yourself. We are all wasting our time. Now, you that is fighting insecurity, may God bless you if you're fighting it genuinely. But I want you to ponder this into your mind. Is this no waste of time to start packing the water on the floor when you did not off the tap that is leaking the water? It is useless trying to dry the water on the ground. Why you leave the tap open? The tap is open, people will continue to die. People will continue to die. Now, I saw this my brother, Nnamdi. He made a video recently talking about the kidnappers who are going from house to house. He said they are Fulani herdsmen, that they are going from house to house in Abuja to rob, kill, and kidnap people. So I saw him today with policemen. Police said he should go and show them where the thing is happening. Yes, he went and showed them. They see those people. I laugh. You know why I'm laughing? All this pretending game will not help us. All this pretending game, we pretend we don't know what is going on. Oh, police is pretending they don't know the people aiding insecurity, the people financing insecurity. The DSS is, Sowore is the problem. Nnamdi Kanu is the problem. They are pretending they don't know the people who are sponsoring it. I laugh. We are wasting our time. Nobody should say that he is not ready for the next move. If you are not ready for the next move, you will resist what is going on. Because as I'm talking to you, the next move is all about taking the control. These people are ready to take the control. These people are ready to take the control. You might not understand where I'm coming from. Now, these people have been able to even stop religious leaders, stop the government every now and then. Most of the state in Nigeria, the military and the police have been stopped not to kill the bandits. You don't know about this. I am telling you. The military, the police have been stopped from fighting the terrorists. You don't know. You hear about peace deal, this, you people don't know what is going on the ground. They have stopped the military, the police from fighting insecurity. What is a peace deal? Don't kill our people again so that we will not kill your people. Then who are they? Terrorists? Saying don't kill our people so that we will not kill. In other words, they give them a safe haven to operate. They give them a safe haven to operate. Now, you see, all this evil will continue as far as the people who are there aiding it, they are there enjoying everything that is coming out from this insecurity. And I am telling you that we are wasting our time. Oh. Don't think that those gone, we are pursuing people up and down is the solution. No, that is not the solution. Because if we really want to do something, we should first of all hold the people who imported these people. We should first of all hold them. We are not serious. You understand? We are not serious. I see a lot of people that hate Nnamdi Kanu. People don't understand where Nnamdi Kanu is coming from. You see, his agitation has been hijacked. Biafra agitation has been hijacked by so many people, including the government agents who sponsor people and so many bad boys kidnapped, doing all those things. They are not agitating. That is not agitation. And they are not part of IPOB. They are not part of anything concerning agitation. These are pure criminals sponsored by the government. And because of these people who invaded Igbo lands, who are still pursuing people out of the farm, killing people, who are the terrorists, who invaded Igbo land. People don't even mind what is going on now. And those people are spreading fast. Why? Because, the game the government play, people fall into the gallery. The government set the trap. People fall into it. Now, if you say what Nnamdi Kanu is doing that you don't like it, I want you to prepare, or what he was doing before he was kidnapped or he was detained. If you said it's not good, I want you to prepare for what to come. Because your communities will be taken, your lands will be taken. Is it not this one they are strategizing to even cause havoc in 2026? You people don't know what is coming. Get ready. When I mean get ready because your communities will be taken. Now, these residents in Delta State, they are saying that terrorists have taken over our community, that the Delta State government and the federal government should come to their aid. Delta State is my state. I don't think there is any federal constituency in Delta State that is not witnessing attack. I told you people stories of how even my community at the time they were not going to farm, if not for the help of the vigilantes. These are Fulani militias invading people's community, preventing them not to go to the farm in Delta State. So, a lot are happening now. This article continues, in an open letter addressed to the Governor Sheriff of Sowore, Sapele local government authorities and security agencies, the residents lamented that for over 3 years, they have lived under constant fear as kidnappers launch frequent operations on challenge in Delta State. Get ready because your state, your communities will be taken. Don't say that they did not tell you. Your communities will be taken. The only solution to stop this, everybody must prepare to fight war with people who imported this because they are putting billions upon billions in this case. ask me how do I know? If you ask me how do I know, I will tell you arrest them first and let them start confessing. Yeah, they have accepted that they imported terrorists on the national television, so it's not hidden. Since they have admitted that they imported terrorists, which is a treasonable act, arrest them so that they will start confessing. The head of Military Intelligence Agency, Kunle Olaomi, said the reason why they could not stop terrorism in Nigeria is because they have to arrest president, they have to arrest senators, they have to arrest governors, and these people are not arrestable, so they give up. I'm sorry to say this, but this country is doomed, and there is nothing that can save it. I am a Christian. Your prayers can't change this. For those of my friends who are Muslims, your prayers won't change this as well. For the traditionalists, for the Jews, this is no matter of prayer. Open your eyes. The danger is already here.